Hello, friend. With major Bitcoin news breaking almost every day, it seemed like a good time to look at some of the biggest myths and misconceptions people tend to have about the world's first cryptocurrency. See if they have any merit and correct the record. If you think, for instance, that Bitcoin's value is based on nothing or that it's too volatile to have any real world use. This video is for you. We were separating fact from fiction without shying away from legitimate risk to get the truth about the world's most popular cryptocurrency. Myth number 1: Bitcoin is bubble. Misconception. Some people believe Bitcoin price is like a bubble that could burst at any moment. They often compare it to the 7th century tulip mania where tulip prices skyrocketed and then crashed. The truth is Bitcoin has experienced multiple price cycles over the past 12 years, recovering every time to reach new high. Its value is driven by limited supply and increasing demand. Experts believe Bitcoin's price may stabilize over time as the market matures. Bitcoin has no real world uses. Misconception. Critics claim Bitcoin is mostly used for illegal activities and has no real world utility. The truth is Bitcoin is widely used for peer-to-peer transaction without intermediaries like banks. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy use Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin is often called digital gold due to its scarcity and value storage capabilities. The fact is, only 2.1% of Bitcoin transactions in 2019 were related to illicit activities. Bitcoin's transparent blockchain makes tracking illegal transactions easier than traditional financial systems. Myth number 3: Bitcoin has no real value. Misconception. Bitcoin is not backed by any physical asset like gold, so it has no intrinsic value. The truth is, Bitcoin value is derived from its scarcities. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. The halving process reduces the mining rewards every 4 years, limiting the supply further. Myth number 4: Bitcoin will be replaced by another cryptocurrency. Misconception. Many believe newer cryptocurrencies with advanced features will make Bitcoins obsolete. The truth is, Bitcoin remains the most valuable and popular cryptocurrency by a significant margin. Its robust, decentralized network and first mover advantage make it unique. Bitcoin's software can be updated to adapt to new challenges, ensuring long-term relevance. Myth number 5: Investing in Bitcoin is gambling. Misconception. Bitcoin price volatility makes it no better than gambling. The truth is Bitcoin has shown long-term value growth since its inception. Strategies like dollar cost averaging help reduce risk in volatile markets. With the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs in 2024, investing in Bitcoin has become more structured and accessible. Myth number 6: Bitcoin isn't secure. Misconception. People think the Bitcoin network can be hacked. The truth is, Bitcoin's core protocol has been secure and operational with 99.9% uptime since 2009. Hacks have occurred on third-party exchanges, not the Bitcoin network itself. Its decentralized architecture ensures there are no signal point of failure. Myth number 7: Bitcoin is bad for the environment. Misconception. Bitcoin mining consumes excessive energy and harms the environment. The truth is 20% to 70% of Bitcoin mining is powered by renewable energy sources. Compared to traditional banking, Bitcoin is more energy efficient. Innovation is mining technology are driving sustainability in the crypto industries. Thank you for exploring the 7 biggest Bitcoin myths with us. I hope this video helped clear up some common misconception about Bitcoin and gave you a better understanding of this relevant technology. If you are ready to dive deeper, start by researching more about cryptocurrency and its potential impact on the future of finance. Always make informed decisions and consult with financial experts if needed. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. More insights on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you have any questions or other myths you had like to us to debunk? Stay updated with the latest crypto news and trends by following us. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing and stay crypto savvy. Have a lovely day.